Dongguan Shangxin Industry Company Limited, Dongguan Yubiao Hardware Company Limited, was established in 2003 with professional metal hardware parts manufacturing experience. The factory is located in Tangsha Town, Dongguan City, which is known as the World's Factory. It just takes less than 2 hours from Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Hong Kong international airports to our factory by car, high-speed rail, or subway. There are many 4-star and 5-star hotels in the town, which can provide convenient, safe, and comfortable business travel. With an area of 8,500 square meters and around 500 sets of high-precision manufacturing and inspection equipment, as well as more than 200 workers, especially 60% of them are professional technicians. We win cooperation with worldwide customers from Europe, South America, North America, Oceania, Middle East, South Africa, Southeast Asia, etc. The main customers are Michelin, La Prairie, IKEA, BMW, Ford, and other well-known companies. Our products are widely used in the field, like mechanic, auto, motorcycles, 3C consumers, household, electronic, instrumentation, construction, communication equipment, beauty and health, sports equipment, and toy. The main departments at our factory are as follows. 1. Sales team. There are more than 20 overseas sales. To win orders by using Alibaba, Made in China, Global Sources, and other B2B platforms. They are professional, patient, and responsible, follow passion, and able to provide best services to customers. 2. Engineering team. Professional engineers carry out mass production according to customers' drawing and designs. They can not only optimize and improve the existing product processes to reduce cost and improve quality, but also can design the structure of the product to ensure the safety and reliability of products. 3. QC team. Strictly accordance with system management. The factory passed ISO 9001-2015 and IATF 16949 standards. All products comply with rules and HE environmental protection standards with QC and QA departments. Each product must go through the IQC-LQC-FQC-QA process to ensure the products to meet the quantity requirements. Production Department. 1. Metal Stamping Department. There are more than 40 sets of stamping machines from 10 to 250 tons, which can produce different dimension stamping parts. Designing and manufacturing stamping dies are by our own tooling department that can reduce die cost and shorten the production cycle. 2. CNC Milling Machining Center. There are more than 20 sets of 3-axis or 4-axis CNC milling machines that can produce various of precise, exquisite, and complex parts with smallest tolerance reach to 0.01 mm. Small batch order can be accepted. 3. CNC Turning Lathe Department. There are more than 50 sets of CNC turning lathes machines with a tolerance reach to 0.02 mm. 4. Spring Department. There are more than 20 sets of spring machines, which can produce compression springs, torsion springs, extension springs, tower springs, wire forming springs, with a wire diameter from 0.1 mm to 10.0 mm. 5. Fastener Production Department. There are 60 sets of screw, nuts, bolt, and washer production machines, which can produce different kinds of standard and non-standard fasteners. 5. There are various of raw materials can be manufactured. Carbon steel, low, medium, and high, aluminum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 series, copper, yellow, blue, red, beryllium, phosphorus, stainless steel, 2, 3, 4 series, plastics, POM, PEK, PC, nylon, ABS, APET, PMMA. 6. Surface treatment. Various surface treatment can be done, such as heat treatment, anodized, electroplating, zinc, nickel, copper, chromium, gold, silver, palladium, powder coating, black oxide, dichromate, zinc nickel alloy, PVD, e-coating, spray paint, etc. 7. Our advantages. 1. Professional engineers team, graduated from mechanical major, with 30 years engineering experience. Our general manager can suggest or adjust according to product structure and material based on part requirement, which can help customers to save project cost and produce safe and reliable products. 2. Complete equipment. Provide OEM and ODM on both components and assembled parts, as well as one-stop purchase service to save time and cost for customers. 3. Sufficient sales and technicians ensure the product quality, delivery date, and after-sales service. Enterprise owner, nearly 20 years hardware manufacturing experience, professional services, and high-quality product have enabled our company to gain recognition and praise from customers in the hardware manufacturing field. Our continuous product innovation help us to obtain the honorary title of high-tech enterprise, which is issued by the government, and many patents. 9. Enterprise's future planning. 1. Customer first, quality foremost, and employee-oriented are the tenets of our company. 2. In our future planning, we will keep improving production technology, increasing investments in production machinery and inspection equipment, expanding products regions, and providing customers with better quality products and service. 3. Sincerely welcome customers to visit our factory and send inquiries.